Good morning, Mr. Reyes. We have several questions regarding income and taxation. To start with, what is taxation?
Taxation is the power of the state to require its citizens and residents to pay sums of money towards the performance of governmental functions.
What is the purpose of taxation?
The purpose of taxation is basically to raise money for government operations.
What is tax?
Tax is a legal imposition on the residents and citizens of a nation to support the necessary expenses for the operations of government.
What are the classification of tax?
Actually, there are so many ways by which taxes are classified. They may be classified into income taxes or business taxes, but there are other classifications of taxes may include the purpose for which the taxes are for which the taxes are imposed.
What is income?
Income is earnings that a party gets. Like an employee gets a salary, business gets sales from its customers, so on and so forth.
What are the classification of income?
Basic classifications of income would be either individual income or corporate income or business income.
What is income tax?
Obviously, from the definition of what income is, income tax is the tax imposed on income earned by citizens or residents of the place.
What is the importance of taxation?
As I said earlier, the purpose of taxation is to raise finances for the government. So the taxation is important in the sense that it is the only way by which a government can finance its operations, without which there will be no government. And if there is no government, there's chaos.
Lastly, based on your experience, what are your other insights about this topic? Any last words?
Natuwa ako doon sa last words kasi last words para ba pamamatay? Wala pa akong balak pumatay. Okay, so let me just answer the first part of your question, not the second part. I have no intention of answering the second part. The first part, however, my insights on taxation is a necessary evil as far as persons or entities are concerned. Why necessary? Because without taxation, as I said earlier, there will be no means for the government to raise finances for its operations. And a government that has no money for its operations cannot rule, cannot preserve the peace, cannot defend the state. So many functions of the government cannot be done without if there is no money available for the government. But of course, another thing about taxation is that, as in previous years, money collected from people and businesses have been wasted through corruption, which we popularly call as grafted corruption, meaning instead of the taxes being spent for the purpose for which they were collected, they have been pocketed by some officials. That's my insight on taxation. It's both good and bad. Good in the sense that it provides the means for the government to function, but it's also bad because there's a tendency for corruption to happen because of the availability of money.
Thank you for your time, Mr. Danilo Reyes.
You are most welcome.